What's up guys, it's Humphrey. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Humphrey and I make videos here on personal finance and entrepreneurship. And today's video is all about how much I make on YouTube with the current subscriber base that I do have, which at the time of filming is about 22.5K followers or subscribers, if you will. I'm gonna share all the details and all the financials with you today, and I guess this is what people call spilling the tea. So in this case, I'm spilling it. I'm spilling all the tea all over the place, all over the floor, all over the desk, wherever you want. Hardcore spilling the tea. Anyways, guys, I'm a weirdo. Let's just get on with it. In the event that you're thinking about making a YouTube channel, either as a side income or a passive type of income, or you just wanna give it a try because you're an entrepreneur and you wanna try new things, great. Or maybe you just love making videos and sharing your content, I encourage you to do so. It could open up a bunch of doors for you, and I've seen accounts go from like 5,000 subscribers to 80,000 subscribers in the matter of months. They just kind of blow up and all of a sudden they have a new type of opportunity that awaits them. And I think that's what's really cool about YouTube. So if you're interested in doing YouTube, I really think that anybody can do it. I think that if you go back and watch my first two videos, you'll notice that I stumble a lot and I have no on-camera presence. My lighting is bad. Everything is just bad about my videos. But I've improved a lot since then. That was about a year ago. And I really just enjoy the process of making videos and sharing my knowledge. So if you have any specific knowledge and you want to try YouTube, I definitely encourage you to try it. And today's video is all about how much you could possibly make by having a small YouTube channel such as mine. So today we're going to talk about how YouTube pays out earnings, the type of niches that I've come across and how much they pay, as well as how much I've been paid for my biggest video on YouTube to date. We'll also talk about what a CPM is, what the CPM is for my channel, and how much I've made on my channel to date, lifetime. Now, I'm not too sure how long this video might be. I might just ramble for a while. I might make some stupid jokes as I always do, but I will put in the description below the timestamp for how much I earn on YouTube. So if you just want to fast forward to that and see how much I've made on YouTube, go ahead. But if you do want to learn about how YouTube pays out and the entire story behind how I got here and how much I've been paid for videos and different rates of different niches, please stay tuned. So let's first get into how YouTube calculates earnings for different types of channels. So as you may or may not know, YouTube is a business that serves advertisements to make money, and they serve advertisements on YouTube channels to make money. Now, there are a lot of ads on YouTube and a lot of them are skippable, and I know what you're thinking, okay, Humphrey, does the creator actually make any money from a skippable video ad? I mean, I didn't even watch the ad, I only watched 5 seconds of the ad and I just skipped it. Does the creator still make money? And the answer is a resounding yes. We still make a lot of money off of skippable video ads. So much money comes from these skippable video ads that many YouTubers that have millions of subscribers are making close to 5 or 6 figures a month just from their AdSense revenue. The way YouTube figures out how much to pay a creator based on the ads that they're serving is based on a bunch of different factors, but it mostly has to do with the viewer demographics, such as the viewer's age, gender, where they're viewing from, and the type of device that they're viewing from on. It also comes down to the who is advertising on these channels. Most YouTube channels are in a specific niche, and each different niche will pay a different rate. Finance, for example, is one of the higher paying niches, so that's really good for me, but the views are harder to come by than, let's say, if I just ran a lifestyle vlog type of channel, or maybe like gaming channel or a makeup channel. And depending on the niche that you're in, the rates on ads can vary widely, which means you are gonna be paid way different depending on what niche you're in. YouTube likes to pay creators based on the number of 1,000 view increments that they actually bring into YouTube. And usually there's a rate per 1,000 view that you're gonna get on your channel. For a vlog channel, I have a friend, she makes lifestyle vlogs and her CPM is between $5 and $6. Now, CPM stands for cost per million, but basically it means how much are you gonna make per 1,000 views that you get on your video. So in her case, if her CPM was $5 to $6, for every 1,000 views that she brings in, she will get paid $5 or $6. Now, these CPMs can vary quite a bit. I've heard of gaming channels getting between $2 and $3 per 1,000 views, and I've also heard of financial channels talking about stocks specifically that can get up to $20 to $25 per 1,000 views that they bring in. So that's pretty crazy to me because a gaming channel with 100,000 views could be making the same as a finance channel with 10,000 views. So not all views are equal. And the reason this is you have to really think about it from the advertiser's perspective. If you're a financial company going after a viewer or trying to advertise to a viewer, the lifetime value of that customer is going to be worth way more than someone who's interested in gaming. When I used to be a financial advisor, for example, the way that our firm would charge fees for clients was 1% of any assets under management. So let's say you actually had $1 million and you had it with one financial company. Well, we would charge you 1% per year on just your money just to manage it. So the value of that for them is actually $10,000 because 1% of $1 million is 10,000. And so that means I, as a customer with $1 million, could be worth up to $10,000 per year, every year for the rest of my life to any financial company. That's why it really makes sense for these financial advisors to pay a higher rate for advertisements, because the lifetime payoff that they're actually going to get from the client is going to be worth a ton. Now contrast that to someone who's watching YouTube for gaming or makeup content. If you're interested in gaming or makeup, you're not going to spend $10,000 a year on makeup or gaming products for the rest of your life. Now you're probably watching, you're thinking, man, I could probably spend $10,000 a year on gaming or makeup or related products. And yeah, you could. And I do myself love a good digital currency or digital asset like a Fortnite skin, for example, but I'm not going to do that. So that's a bit of background on how YouTube calculates how much a creator gets paid. If you are looking to start a YouTube channel, really think about what niche that you're going to be in and what type of CPMs that they're gonna pay for the videos that you make. A lot of these CPMs can just be researched online on Google. Just type in, what is the CPM for so-and-so niche, and you'll be able to find some answers. And if you already have a YouTube channel, you can use your CPM that you have in your analytics dashboard to kind of figure out what you should charge brands when they approach you for sponsorship opportunities. So if you're a YouTuber watching this, you can use your CPM when a brand approaches you for a sponsorship opportunity. Just take the average views of your last 5 to 8 videos, divide it by 1,000, then multiply it by your CPM in your analytics dashboard to kind of get a ballpark number of what you should offer the brand. Also, I still do not have a brand deal on YouTube, which is totally fine, but if a coffee company out there wants to sponsor me, I could really use more caffeine in my life because that would make me more energized. I can make way more content and be super excited about it. Like, I'm already excited about this video right now, but imagine what I would be on like a double shot espresso. I mean, let's talk, guys. Anyway, let's dive into my analytics right now because I want to show you guys how much I've made on my top most viewed video and also just all my other earnings. So let's get right into this. I'm going to switch the screen. Let's do it. Okay guys, so now I'm in my analytics and I'm going to show you guys, this is my top most viewed video. It's called Zin App Honest Review. Is it legit? And we're going to just click on analytics. And this video got 78,000 views. And as you can see here, a lot of the views came in the early portion of this video, and I'll tell you guys a little bit about why that is later. But you can see that my estimated revenue here for this video is $473.28 at the time of this recording. And that's on 78,000 views that's over here. So I was overall pretty happy with this video. Now I'm gonna show you guys the last 90 days over here. If I just click on that, you can see that this is what the graph looked like. I posted this video actually on Wednesday, June 3rd, or it was Thursday, June 4th. And I wasn't monetized at the time. So when I did finally get monetized on June 8th, I believe, I missed out on a lot of the views that should have been monetized. But that's okay. I mean, obviously I was super ecstatic on June 8th, $40.89. That was pretty crazy. I was like, wow, this video is popping off. And the reason why it was popping off so much is because, let me close this real quick. This is because I made this video on the Zin app, and the Zin app was basically a TikTok clone. And at the time, nobody was making reviews on the Zin app, and it was becoming a highly searched for topic. So I was catching a trend that I was able to capitalize on there, which is really great. And that's something you can do if you're a small YouTube creator, is you can find a trend that's new. So for example, right now in the news, I'm trying to think of something in the news right now. TikTok is in talks to be acquired by Oracle as of today. And if you made a video on Oracle talking about how they might acquire TikTok, you could probably capitalize on that trend. Anyway, this video, made me $40 on Monday, $73 on Tuesday, and then it kind of just went down, 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 down. And as you can see, it makes me about $1 a day now, $2 here and there. And as of yesterday, Sunday, I don't have, well, today's actually Tuesday, but I don't have Monday's analytics yet. It made $3.34. And in the last 48 hours, it's still got 288 views. So all in all, not bad. I'm pretty happy with this. It's not like I'm making a ton of money, but just for one video, that's really good. And let me show you more of my dashboard right now. So now this is my dashboard for what my homepage looks like whenever I log into the analytics section of YouTube. And if I click on revenue here, and then I go by the last 90 days, we can see that my estimated revenue for the last 90 days since I've been monetized is $967 at the time of filming here. and that my playback-based CPM is around $15.64, which is very high. Because my channel talks about finance mostly and investing and credit cards, the CPM is going to be a lot higher. And as you can see, per day we get, you know, on August 5th here, $10.73. I made $10. That's pretty cool. I can pay for lunch every day if it's a cheap lunch in the Bay Area. $15 here, 12, 10, and so every day it brings in about $10 to $15. And what I'm really impressed with is that, you know, it's growing. You know, back here it was $2 to $6 a day. So it's nice that it's growing. I will say that this is not based on many views. So let's actually take an example here. Friday, August 14th, $15.39. Let's see how many views I got for those $15.39. If we click on overview, I think that was Friday. I think it was Friday that we talked about. I got, 1,084 views. So on 1,084 views, I made $15 around there. So that gives you an idea of basically how much I'm getting paid per view. It is quite a higher rate than some of the other niches that you might see, but that's because I am running a finance channel. Now guys, I actually think this is super, super cool. Like, I'm so stoked that I can even make $10 a day off of YouTube. I will say that so far the return on my time hasn't been great because I've made, let's look at how many videos I've made. I've made around 42 videos, as you can see here, and each video takes between 8 to 10 hours of my time to make, you know, one of these videos. In the beginning, it took me a lot longer, but you know, this is something you would do just for fun, and because I like educating people, this is actually just a lot of fun for me. And hopefully one day, you know, the channel grows big enough that I can make a living or a full-time job off of it. But for now, it's just for fun, and I just want to let you know that if you are just trying to do this for money, understand that if you are doing it for money, it's a long-term kind of thing that you're kind of planning for. This is not something that you're just gonna make, you know, multiples, tens and thousands of dollars overnight. All the YouTubers that I have talked to that have grown substantially take a long time to kind of cultivate their audience and also cultivate their video making style. It just takes a really long time. And, you know, if you were to ask me how much I've made based on the time that I've put in, well, we can just do a quick calculation right here. You know, 42 videos times, let's just say 8 hours of video, 336 hours I put into YouTube. That's just the video part. That's not even just watching YouTube. So 336 hours, that made $967. That comes to about $3 an hour, $2.87 an hour. So it's clearly not worth the time in the beginning, but as the channel grows, you might actually find it's worth your time. So that's just a little bit about my channel. And you know, the other thing that I am a little bit concerned of with my channel, this is one of my insecurities, I would say, is I have 22,000 subscribers, but on average, you know, if we look at my average views by video, if we look here, let's see, you know, I get around 1,000 views on a better video, you know, less than 1,000 on not such a great video. But I am a little concerned that I have 22,000 subscribers and the number of views and comments that I get are a little bit disproportionately smaller. And I think that's because in the beginning, I was getting a lot of followers or subscribers from my TikTok following over to YouTube. And at the time, I didn't have many videos. So what was actually happening is I think these people that subscribed to me early on when I didn't have many videos just aren't very engaged. And the algorithm just doesn't show my videos to them anymore because they realize, hey, these people weren't watching him before, they're probably not gonna watch him now. So that is a concern of mine, and that's something I worry about a little bit in terms of just YouTube growth. But in terms of like actually being involved and interacting with everybody that's watching this video right now, I love that. I love seeing, reading, and replying to all your comments. And if you wanna drop a like for this video, that'd be amazing. I would love you forever. So that's just a little bit more about my channel, how much you can make as a creator on YouTube. And I hope that this video was very insightful for you guys. I know that it was a little bit on the longer side, and I don't really like to do that, but you know, for the purpose of this video, I think it was important. I'm trying to think of what else I can show you before I sign off. Oh, let's look at real quick here. Let's look at how much each of my videos has made, not just the Zin video, for example, but some of my other videos. You know, we can kind of see, let me see if I can find that here. If I click revenue, and then if I click my top earning videos, you can see that in the last 28 days, actually let's go to the last 90 days, that the Acorns review video has made me $69 $62.78. The how to invest your first $1,000 right now is maybe $62.85, and so on and so forth. And if you click see more, you can see all of how much these videos have made. And you can even notice here, if we scroll to the bottom, some of these videos don't even make any money anymore. So that's kind of the game of YouTube. Sometimes you just have to refresh what you've made in the past because people don't watch your old videos. So I hope that this was helpful. I'm gonna try to leave all of this in here, and yeah, let's transition away to my closing. All right, guys, that was the end of the video. I realize it's a little bit of an abrupt ending, but make sure to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I post there pretty much daily, and make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video, which is right now twice a week, and I hope to continue that kind of streak of continuing to upload. So thank you for being here with me. I appreciate all of you guys. Leave me a comment below if you'd like me to reply to it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.